You don't know what it means. Most of us do not understand what it means to be a Biafran.
You have not seen anything yet. I was kidnapped. I was beaten. I was spat at. My clothes were ripped from my body. Women urinated and poured it on me because of Biafra, so that they may humiliate me to such a point that I will not talk about Biafra anymore. They videoed me. Masop has a video of me where they were beating me, dragging me on the floor, tearing my clothes because I spoke the truth. That did not stop me from talking about Biafra. It did not stop me from taking Radio Biafra to Enugu. It did not stop me from broadcasting Radio Biafra from Nnewi. It did not stop me from broadcasting Radio Biafra from Onitsha, from Owerri, from Aba, from Port Harcourt. I am resolute. I don't retreat. Never. Nigeria has put me in detention before. Solitary confinement. It did not stop me from preaching Biafra. How about an imbecile? Some we are talking. How can that affect me? If those that kidnapped me and nearly killed me did not stop me from doing Biafra, how about an imbecile hiding somewhere? People must know who I am. I am destructively stubborn. You see, Biafra is going to come.
You don't know what it means. Most of us do not understand what it means to be a Biafran.
Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapoli, Mary, Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapoli, Mary, Nnamdi go, only do I walk. Oh, Mary, Nizu, Miroya, Abakare. Mamanda Mura, Unapuri Mary Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapuri Mary Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapuri Mary Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapuri Mary Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapuri Mary Nnamdi win the war. Python, that's one, Python, that's two. Now Python, that's a three. Unapuri Mary Nnamdi.